This one is hard to judge.
Yeah. What do you think?
It's hard because Aël is
first
he was
impression.
prepared. The second round of Aël was better.
Hmm.
He did a round like we don't feel it's too much freestyle. So
I agree.
Bronix has a good attitude. They both have a good attitude. Has a good attitude really, and they love what they prepare. They really play with emotion what they prepared. So that's really good.
Okay, on this point for me, like I don't agree totally. Like for me, if you see like Bronix is always with the eyes brown, like a little bit like how do you say, not at ease, at 100% at ease. I would say like always like méfiant. I don't know the word in English, but like his face doesn't look like he's 100% confident. That's what I meant.
It's true. He changed attitude. For the first battle, he was chill, really chill.
Yeah.
And in this battle, he feel that it's gonna be more hard.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's true. I feel it. Even when he finished the round, at the end of the round, it's like more like now I'm not your friend. So it's really we feel that he's in the danger.
Yeah, and for me, like it made sense. Like when you said, like you need to feel comfortable on stage, and you don't need to look like you're not at ease, and that's why for me, like on tough battle like this, if like Aël is enjoying 100% what he does, Bronix is a little bit on the en retenue, like a little bit back. He keep it a little bit back. So that's for me criteria of decision, like why he win or not. Maybe you don't agree with me.
No, I agree. I think it's the same problem that I say before with Bronix is the breath control.
Yeah.
I think this is really the big problem of Bronix is the breath control of when he beatbox. Because the ideas is perfect, it's more original. Actually, it's more original of Aël. They propose something, they do something more original. Even with the this rhythm, we never heard that. Mm-hmm. It's an old school rhythm, but now it's with click roll and Aël. With Aël, the things of with Aël is it's more technical than Bronix.
Yeah.
And he has more flow when he beatbox Aël. He has more flow. He can do some flow and some that Bronix can't do it. Bronix can do some break and fast break, but he has not the same flow. And the problem is because he has the breath control. He has flow, but on stage, or he has flow at home because I know him. But when he are on stage, maybe he go too much harder or something. Maybe the stress, I don't know. Maybe not, but something happened on stage that he can do what he prepared, but only maybe 80%, 80% on stage. With Aël, we feel that he's more comfortable with flow, but it's less original, you know what I mean? Yeah. We know about, but I mean, we did already this flow. So, of course, he tried to add some attacks, what we don't did. He tried, it's why it's a good beatboxer, Aël. He tried to change the break, and he tried to do something different, of course, but
I think like I know what you mean, like Bronix on a top level execution or structured execution, he will won this battle. He will have won this battle, but because Aël is like he feels more comfortable on stage, like not going breathe out. He deserves more the win maybe for this one. And yeah, Bronix said like in the chat he did like some structure mistakes. So yeah, we can hear that. But for me, yeah, it's just about details, like just about the attitude and
Ouais, c'est dommage. For
Yeah.
Bronix, yeah, because it has a good level. It's more original, and
Yeah.
but if he lose this battle, it's because yeah, he needs more flow on stage, more
How would you
like a
prepare for this?
water.
Yeah. How would you, as you said, like maybe before, just about rehearse your rounds 10, 20, 30 times before going on stage? Is it your advice on this?
Maybe try to the good exercises with the how to say in English, you know, the sport when you jump.
The rope, corde à sauter?
Yeah.
The rope jumping?
Corde à sauter.
Something like this.
You can
okay,
try
for the
with
cardio.
that because yeah, the cardio is important.
True.
So Bronix really need to work on the cardio, and when you are tired with the cardio, he try to do the sound, the drop,
Skipping
and he
rope.
listen.
Yeah.
And he listen how they works when he has tired, and if he train when he has tired to keep the flow, to keep the vibe, to even if he's, but he can control it, it's gonna be bam level up a lot. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Bronix. Next challenge after your CrossFit training, you do your round. Okay, just after 20 push-ups or 20 jump ropes.
Yeah. Let's go.
Let's go for you. Ok. Quand je sais où je vais, j'ai plus de souffle. Ok. Brony said like when he knows where he goes, he has more brace. It's understandable because you are more at ease and you don't stress.
Yeah, because you know what's happened more and well, maybe.
But I think a good reference for you, Bronix, will be the Astro Beatbox battle, where you went with a chill attitude, like no pressure at all, and your sounds on stage were so more well executed, I would say. Your beatbox was natural, and if it sounds like this, like, very natural, I think you can win everybody because your ideas are between the most one of the most original ideas, I would say.
Yeah, definitely.
Do you want to make serious progress in beatbox? Click on the link in the description below and join our beatbox school to level up faster than ever.